The tiger is a mammal belonging to the Felidae family and the Panthera genus, with the scientific name Panthera tigris. Tigers are considered one of the most famous and beautiful wild animals in the world, and they are powerful predators that are endangered. Tigers are characterized by their strong and muscular bodies, as well as their unique fur color with dark stripes on a yellow or orange background. The color of tiger fur varies slightly depending on the species of tiger and its geographic habitat. Tigers live in forested areas, jungles, rainforests, and grassy meadows in Asia. Tigers are among the powerful predatory animals, possessing strong bodies, powerful muscles, long claws, and sharp teeth. They rely on hunting to obtain their food, preying on deer, wild boars, cattle, sheep, goats, and other small animals. They are known for their excellent night vision and acute hearing, which makes them skilled hunters. Tigers are found in specific regions in Asia, such as India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, China, and eastern Russia. However, tigers are severely threatened with extinction due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Protecting tigers and preserving their natural habitats is one of the most important efforts made to conserve this magnificent animal. Many environmental organizations and governments are working to protect tigers and their habitats, reduce illegal hunting, and promote awareness of the importance of conserving this beautiful and endangered species. Certainly. Here are some additional details about tigers. 1. Size and physical characteristics. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. They can grow to be around 3 to 3.5 meters, 9.8 to 11.5 feet, in length, excluding the tail, which can measure an additional 0.6 to 1 meter, 2 to 3.3 feet. Adult tigers can weigh between 200 to 300 kilograms, 440 to 660 pounds, with males generally being larger and heavier than females. They have a muscular build, a rounded head, and large, expressive eyes. Tigers have retractable claws that they use for hunting and climbing. 2. Subspecies. There are several subspecies of tigers, each with its own unique characteristics and geographic range. Some of the well-known subspecies include the Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Sumatran tiger, Indochinese tiger, and Malayan tiger. These subspecies have slight variations in appearance, such as differences in fur color and stripe patterns. 3. Solitary nature. Tigers are solitary animals, with adults typically occupying and defending their own territories. The size of a tiger's territory can vary depending on factors such as prey availability and habitat quality. Male tiger territories are usually larger and overlap the territories of several females. 4. Reproduction and cubs. Female tigers reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age, while males mature later at around 4 to 5 years. Breeding can occur throughout the year, but there are usually peak mating seasons. After a gestation period of about 3 to 4 months, a female tiger gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs, although larger litters are possible. The cubs are born blind and are completely dependent on their mother for the first few months. They start venturing out of the den at around 6 to 8 weeks and begin learning hunting skills from their mother. 5. Conservation status. Tigers are listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The primary threats to tiger populations are habitat loss due to deforestation, fragmentation, and human encroachment, as well as illegal hunting and poaching for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Conservation efforts focus on protecting tiger habitats, implementing anti-poaching measures, raising awareness, and promoting sustainable tourism. 6. Symbolism and cultural significance. Tigers hold significant cultural and symbolic value in many societies. They are often associated with power, strength, and beauty. Tigers feature prominently in various mythologies, folklore, and art forms across Asia. They are also national animals or symbols in countries like India, Bangladesh, and South Korea. Tigers are captivating creatures that continue to inspire awe and fascination. Their conservation is crucial to preserve the biodiversity of our planet and protect these magnificent animals for future generations. Certainly. Here are some more interesting facts about tigers. 1. Hunting and diet. Tigers are apex predators and primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, boars, and water buffalo. They are known for their stealth and agility when stalking their prey. Tigers use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to deliver a fatal bite to the neck or throat of their target. They have a unique hunting strategy of getting close to their prey before launching a surprise attack. 2. Swimming abilities. Unlike most other big cats, tigers are excellent swimmers and are known to be comfortable in water. They often take to the water to cool down or to cross rivers and lakes. Tigers have been observed swimming several kilometers at a time. 3. Communication. Tigers communicate through vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. They have a range of vocalizations, including roars, growls, hisses, and chuffing sounds. These vocalizations serve various purposes, such as defending territory, attracting mates, and maintaining contact with offspring. 4. Lifespan. In the wild, tigers have an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years. However, tigers in captivity can live significantly longer, with some individuals reaching their late teens or even early 20s. 5. Camouflage and stripes. The unique stripe pattern of a tiger's fur helps it blend into its surroundings and provides effective camouflage while hunting. The stripes are like fingerprints, as no two tigers have the exact same pattern. This distinctive coat pattern also helps tiger cubs to remain hidden from potential predators. 6. Night vision. Tigers have a specialized structure in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their night vision. This adaptation allows them to see clearly in low-light conditions and gives them an advantage when hunting during dusk and dawn. 7. Ecological role. Tigers play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As top predators, they regulate prey populations and help control herbivore numbers, which in turn influences vegetation and habitat structure. Their presence contributes to the overall health and biodiversity of the ecosystems they inhabit. 8. Captive breeding programs. To help conserve tiger populations and prevent their extinction, various captive breeding programs have been established around the world. These programs aim to breed tigers in captivity and reintroduce them into protected areas, with the ultimate goal of restoring wild populations. Tigers continue to captivate our imagination with their strength, grace, and beauty. Their conservation remains a global priority to ensure their survival and preserve the natural heritage they represent. Tigers have several unique adaptations that contribute to their survival and success as predators. Here are some additional notable adaptations. 1. Powerful muscular build. Tigers have a robust and muscular build, allowing them to bring down large prey. Their forelimbs are particularly strong, enabling them to tackle and overpower their targets. Tigers can take down prey that exceeds their own weight through their strength and agility. 2. Long canines and strong jaws. Tigers have long, sharp canines that are designed for puncturing and gripping prey. Their jaws are exceptionally strong, allowing them to deliver powerful bites that can crush bones and disable their prey quickly. 3. Retractable claws. Tigers have retractable claws, which means they can extend or retract them as needed. This adaptation helps keep their claws sharp and prevents them from becoming worn down when not in use. Retractable claws also enable them to move silently while stalking their prey. 4. Striped coat pattern. The unique coat pattern of tigers serves multiple purposes. The stripes help camouflage them within their habitat, making it easier to approach prey undetected. The pattern also breaks up their body outline, making it difficult for potential prey to recognize them as a threat until it's too late. 5. Excellent jumpers. Tigers are skilled jumpers and can leap distances of up to 6 meters, 20 feet, in a single bound. This ability allows them to clear obstacles, jump onto prey, or traverse challenging terrain with agility. 6. Adapted dentition. Tigers have specialized dentition adapted for their carnivorous diet. Their premolars and molars have sharp, blade-like edges that aid in shearing flesh from bones. This dental adaptation allows them to consume and process meat efficiently. 7. Acute senses. Tigers have highly developed senses that assist them in locating prey and navigating their environment. They have excellent hearing, which helps them detect sounds, such as the movement of potential prey or the presence of rival tigers. Their sense of smell is also highly developed, allowing them to track prey or identify other tigers through scent markings. These adaptations collectively make tigers formidable predators, enabling them to survive and thrive in their natural habitats. Each adaptation plays a crucial role in their hunting strategies and overall survival. Tigers rely on their acute senses, particularly their hearing, sight, and smell, to locate prey in their environment. Here's how they use each sense. 1. Hearing. Tigers have excellent hearing, which helps them detect sounds from a distance. They have large, mobile ears that can rotate to pinpoint the direction of a sound. Tigers use their acute hearing to listen for the movements and sounds made by potential prey, such as rustling leaves, breaking twigs, or the calls of animals. They can even detect the low-frequency vocalizations of prey that may be hidden or trying to remain silent. 2. Sight. Tigers have well-developed eyesight, especially in low-light conditions. Their eyes have a structure called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their night vision. This adaptation allows them to see clearly in dim light and gives them an advantage during dusk and dawn when they are most active. Tigers use their sharp eyesight to spot movement, track prey, and assess the distance between them and their target. 3. Smell. Tigers have a highly developed sense of smell, and their olfactory abilities are crucial for locating prey, especially when it's not in their direct line of sight. They have a specialized organ called the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of their mouth. This organ enhances their ability to detect and analyze scent molecules. Tigers use their sense of smell to track the scent trails left by potential prey, identify the presence of nearby animals, and even recognize the scent markings of other tigers in their territory. By combining these senses, tigers can effectively locate and track their prey. They may first hear or see signs of potential prey from a distance. Once they have identified a potential target, they use their acute senses to assess the distance, direction, and location of the prey. The tiger's ability to silently move through the dense vegetation further aids in their stealthy approach, allowing them to get closer to their prey before launching an attack. In addition to their acute senses, tigers have several other adaptations that aid them in hunting. Here are some notable adaptations. 1. Stealth and camouflage. Tigers are skilled stalkers and rely on their ability to move silently and remain unseen by their prey. Their striped coat pattern helps them blend into their surroundings, providing effective camouflage in the dappled light of the forest or grasslands. This allows them to approach prey undetected, increasing their chances of a successful ambush. 2. Agile and powerful body. Tigers have a well-adapted physique that contributes to their hunting prowess. They possess powerful muscles, particularly in their forelimbs, which enable them to pounce on and overpower prey. Their flexible bodies, muscular hind limbs, and a long tail provide balance and agility during pursuits and sudden changes in direction. 3. Speed and burst of energy. While tigers are not the fastest runners among big cats, they can still reach impressive speeds when necessary. They can sprint up to 55 to 65 kilometers per hour, 34 to 40 miles per hour, in short bursts. This burst of speed allows them to close the gap between themselves and their prey quickly, increasing their chances of a successful chase. 4. Ambush predators. Tigers are ambush predators, meaning they rely on surprise attacks to catch their prey. They use their stealth and patience to get as close as possible before launching an explosive charge. By getting within a relatively short distance, they maximize their chances of a successful kill. 5. Bite force and killing techniques. Tigers have strong jaws and sharp canine teeth designed for puncturing and gripping prey. Their bite force is among the strongest of all big cats. They typically target the throat or neck of their prey, delivering a fatal bite that quickly incapacitates the animal. This technique helps minimize the risk of injury to themselves during the hunting process. 6. Adaptability in prey selection. Tigers are adaptable hunters and can adjust their prey selection based on availability. While they primarily target large ungulates, they are capable of hunting smaller prey when necessary, such as wild pigs, monkeys, and smaller deer. This adaptability allows them to survive in habitats where larger prey may be scarce. These adaptations collectively make tigers efficient hunters, capable of tackling a wide range of prey and adapting their strategies to different environments. Their physical attributes, combined with their hunting techniques and specialized skills, contribute to their success as top predators in their ecosystems. Tigers utilize their sense of hearing and smell in various ways during hunting. Here's how they employ these senses. 1. Sense of hearing. Detection of prey sounds. Tigers have excellent hearing, allowing them to detect faint sounds made by potential prey. They listen for rustling leaves, breaking twigs, or the calls and vocalizations of animals in their vicinity. These auditory cues help them locate and track their prey. Assessing distance and direction. By triangulating the sounds they hear, tigers can determine the distance and direction of their prey. They can accurately judge the location of their target and plan their approach accordingly. Monitoring surroundings. Tigers also rely on their acute hearing to monitor their surroundings for potential threats or competitors. They can pick up the sounds of other animals, including the vocalizations of rival tigers, which helps them defend their territory. 2. Sense of smell. Tracking scent trails. Tigers possess a highly developed sense of smell, which they use to track prey. They can detect and follow scent trails left by animals as they move through their environment. By sniffing the ground or air, tigers can determine the direction in which their prey has traveled, helping them close in on their target. Identifying prey and assessing conditions. Tigers can also use their sense of smell to identify the presence of specific prey species in an area. They can distinguish the scent of different animals and determine if their preferred prey is nearby. Additionally, they can assess environmental conditions, such as the presence of water sources or the scent markings of other tigers. Recognizing potential danger. Tigers can detect the scent of other predators or potential threats in their territory. They can pick up the odor of rival tigers or the presence of humans, enabling them to avoid encounters or defend their territory if necessary. During the hunting process, tigers often combine their senses of hearing and smell to locate, track, and assess their prey. They rely on their acute hearing to detect sounds made by potential prey or competitors, while their sense of smell helps them track scent trails, identify prey species, and evaluate their surroundings. These sensory abilities give tigers a significant advantage as stealthy and efficient hunters in their natural habitats. Tigers use their sense of hearing and smell in combination to locate their prey. Here's how they employ these senses during the hunting process. 1. Sense of hearing. Sound detection. Tigers have highly sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from different directions. They listen for subtle sounds made by potential prey, such as the rustling of leaves, breaking twigs, or the calls and vocalizations of animals. By focusing on these sounds, they can determine the general location of their prey. Assessing distance and direction. Tigers use their acute hearing to assess the distance and direction of the sounds they hear. By comparing the volume and timing of sounds in each ear, they can triangulate the location of their prey. This helps them determine the distance they need to cover and the appropriate path to take for a successful approach. Recognizing prey behavior. Tigers are attuned to the behavioral cues of their prey, such as alarm calls or distress vocalizations. These sounds can indicate the presence of vulnerable or injured prey, increasing the chances of a successful hunt. 2. Sense of smell. Tracking scent trails. Tigers have a highly developed sense of smell and can detect and follow scent trails left by potential prey. They use their noses to sniff the ground or the air, picking up the odor molecules left behind by animals as they move through their habitat. By following these scent trails, tigers can track the direction in which their prey has traveled. Identifying prey species. tigers can distinguish the scent of different animals, allowing them to identify the presence of specific prey species in their vicinity. They are adept at recognizing the scent markers of their preferred prey, such as deer or wild boars. This enables them to focus their hunting efforts on the most suitable targets. Assessing freshness of trails, tigers can assess the freshness of scent trails to determine if prey is nearby. Fresh scents indicate recent activity, suggesting that prey may be within close proximity. Older or fainter scents suggest that the prey has moved further away, prompting the tiger to adjust its hunting strategy accordingly. By utilizing their acute hearing to detect sounds and their sense of smell to track scent trails, tigers can effectively locate their prey. These senses work synergistically, helping tigers identify potential targets, assess their proximity, and plan their approach for a successful hunt. Tigers primarily rely on their acute sense of smell to track prey over long distances. Here's how they utilize their sense of smell during tracking. 1. Detecting and analyzing odor. Tigers have a highly developed sense of smell and possess a specialized organ called the vomeronasal organ or Jacobson's organ. This organ enhances their ability to detect and analyze scent molecules in the environment. When tracking prey, tigers use their noses to pick up the odor molecules left behind by animals as they move through their habitat. 2. Following scent trails, tigers can track the scent trails left by their prey. They use their sense of smell to detect and follow the odor markers left on the ground, vegetation, or in the air. The scent markers can include urine markings, feces, scent glands, or pheromones. Tigers can distinguish different scents, allowing them to identify the species of the prey they are tracking. 3. Assessing freshness and intensity. Tigers can assess the freshness and intensity of scent trails to determine the proximity of their prey. Fresh, strong scents indicate recent activity, suggesting that the prey might be nearby. Fainter or older scents indicate that the prey has moved further away. By evaluating the strength and freshness of the scent, tigers can estimate the distance and adjust their tracking accordingly. 4. Combining with hearing and visual cues. While the sense of smell is the primary sense used for tracking prey over long distances, tigers may also rely on auditory and visual cues to supplement their tracking efforts. They can listen for the sounds made by their prey, such as calls, movements, or vocalizations, which can provide additional information about the proximity and direction of the prey. Tigers may also use their keen eyesight to spot visual cues, such as movement or signs of disturbance in the environment, assisting them in tracking their prey. By employing their acute sense of smell, along with other sensory cues, tigers can track prey over long distances. Their ability to detect and analyze scent trails helps them locate and pursue their prey effectively, even when it is not in their immediate line of sight. Tigers have a remarkable sense of smell and can detect scent trails left by their prey over considerable distances. While it is challenging to provide an exact measurement, as it can vary depending on various factors, including environmental conditions and the specific prey species, tigers are known to detect scent trails from several kilometers away. In favorable conditions, such as in dense forests or grasslands with minimal wind, tigers can pick up the scent of their prey from a significant distance. They have been observed to follow scent trails that are several kilometers long, tracking the scent markers left by their prey as they move through their habitat. It's important to note that the effectiveness of scent detection depends on various factors, including the freshness and intensity of the trail, prevailing wind direction, and the terrain. If the scent trail is strong and recent, tigers can track it more accurately. However, if the trail is faint or has dissipated over time, it becomes more challenging for tigers to detect and follow it. Overall, while there is no definitive range, tigers have demonstrated their ability to track scent trails left by their prey over substantial distances, showcasing their exceptional olfactory capabilities in locating potential targets.